I'm going to pick up a book. I'm going to figure out how to be a part of the wealth gap. I'm going to educate myself. I'm going to stop crying and stop saying, "Oh, they taking the government assistance away. They taking the SNAP." Well, it's time for us to step our money up, our brains up,
Mhm.
and get in these chats like we are right now. Take some notes and get ready,
Mhm.
or get left.
Mhm.
Can I do that and
Yes.
complain though? Can I do both? Can I
No,
complain at the same
no,
time? Okay. All
no.
right. All right.
Ain't no look. Ain't no
I
space
just
for
noticed
both.
something really quick, guys. I just wanted to say really fast is that if they can give $1 trillion to Musk because they know his intellectual property, and
Mhm.
meanwhile they're cutting $1 trillion in social safety nets, then we have to establish our ground and know that in God we trust. We're gonna build our trust. We're gonna build our wealth. We're gonna get in tune with those who get in tune with the right things. Because I didn't even know about the news about the Taylor Swift thing, but y'all just put me on, and I'm just like,
Mm.
there's no way that I keep looping myself. And I'm so grateful to God that I finally seen this message from my email to say, get in, join the Discord last night, because I know God has positioned everyone who is in this room into better elevated heights because we're being obedient to what we deserve in.
Yes. I love that. Who is that? Who is that?
It's BG. You know, I've been ducking you all year, but come to Sedona, Arizona, please, because I'm tired of being hard headed.
Come
It's
on,
for us.
BG.
It's
Come on,
for
BG.
us.
I'm hard headed too, but we in this thing. We in this
Not
thing.
Hey,
ducking you all year. Not ducking you all year. Hold up.
this is why I do this, right? Sometimes, right? I get a message, right? I get a message. I am not here to preach to nobody, okay? I am not a saint. I'm not here to preach to nobody. I am here to just give you a message. That's it. Now, whichever way it comes out, sometimes it comes out tough. Sometimes it comes out like, who the hell she thinks she's talking to? But it is what it is, baby. I said what I said. Either you're going to receive it or you're not, right? I'm just here to give you the message. I'm just a messenger, okay? I got it. And the way that I give it out is how I give it out. Those who receive it, and those who don't, more power to you or whatever, right? I'm here on assignment. I keep telling y'all that I'm here on assignment. I have an assignment to do. Okay. I got some things that I need to do. It ain't got nothing to do with y'all. It's me. I'm on assignment. That's why I keep showing up. I just keep showing up because it's like, lady, now more than ever, they need it. They need it. Even if they don't think that I don't need, yes, you do. You do. I promise you. I don't care what you need something that's in here. Whether it was one of those books, whether it was somebody else speaking, whether it was me speaking, whether it was something that I said, whether you needed something from here, right? Get you some water, okay, and sit down, get a notebook, get a pen, and start taking some notes. Start taking some screenshots. Girl, go, okay? Just get it together. Some way, somehow, just start, right? You don't need to see the whole staircase. It's just like, well, I'm new. I'm a beginner and I'm lost. And come on. Okay. Lost and found over here. Out of all those books, out of all those books, this book right here is the smallest one out of all them, but the mighty one, right? This one is quite mighty here. Okay. So when you see this, I want you to one, pay attention to the melanin, right? That's one. Two, and what's her plan? Her plan, as in her, you, right? You, whoever it's for. So the way that it goes is this. Y'all know that when we talking, we like to say and, okay, and so what? And what now? And what you gonna do about it? That that's me. That's me. When I wrote this book, that's what I was thinking. Like, okay, I got fired. Okay, and the job late. Okay, and my car stopped. And okay, because and what you gonna do about it? What is the plan, right? That's where this book was born from. That came from this, right? Like this came from that, basically. I want y'all to know that when you see this, this isn't just some notebook. This is not a notebook with blank pages that you don't have anything. This ain't that. Mm-mm. Um, for those who was here yesterday, y'all already know how I felt about this, and I had to sit down for a minute. I was like, baby, we done went some places when we when we opened this book. I'm a little better today. I'm a little better today. I want to share just one page. I'll just flip through it and randomly, whichever page pops up, I'm gonna read it. Yesterday we landed on triggers and chow. It was tough. Okay, so this It's called And What's Her Plan? Okay, it is a series book. It's a planner. It's a 2026 planner because we are heading into 2026, but the 12-week year would let you know that you need to start. Okay. All right. So anyway, it's a planner. Every month, we're going to focus on a different word. We're going to focus on a different topic. And whether it's going to be fear or confidence, grace or gratitude, whether it's trading, mindset, relationship, trauma, triggers, money, all of the things. Think of this book like 12 therapy sessions. Think of it like that, right? Think of this book as having 12 therapy sessions for the whole year, right? And it's going to be one session a month, and you're going to have to do it yourself, okay? The book is going to be your therapist. It's literally there to help you unpack the stuff that you need to unpack, the things that you think that you need, the things that is like, no, I can't let this go. I need it. I can't let that go. I need it. I need all this. I got to stay. All this has so much sentimental value. So I can't let it go. The whole time it's just baggage. And it's some things that you need to unpack, but you're not unpacking it for whatever reason. That's what this is. Okay. So I'm gonna just flip through the pages. Okay. And we're just gonna just somebody say stop. Okay. I'm just gonna flip and somebody say stop.
Stop.
This is where we stopped at. Okay. It says, let's talk focus. Eyes on your prize, no distractions allowed. Okay. I know a lot of y'all. I know a lot of y'all be acting like y'all be focused, but y'all be distracted. And I know y'all be distracted because I be distracted, right? It took me too long to write this book. It shouldn't have took me this long, but it took me a while because I was distracted by everything that's going on social media or whatever. So I'm gonna just read it, okay? Focus ain't about grinding 24/7. It's about protecting your energy, your time, and your mind from the noise that keeps you. I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna slow down. Let me read that. Let me read that one again. I'm gonna just the first line. I just want to focus ain't about grinding 24/7. It's about protecting your energy, your time, and your mind from the noise that keeps you stuck. Did y'all hear that? Because I just know
That's a cold piece of work.
Okay. Just to start it off. Just to start it. That's just the first line. Maybe it's a whole, but that's just the first line. You can't grow your money, your mindset, or your next level if you're constantly scattering yourself. Every notification, every opinion, every side hustle that doesn't serve your main goal is a thief.
Oh my God, this one is on point. It's like right on time.
Okay. I'm just a messenger, y'all. Let me tell you, every time I pick this book up, every time I pick it up and I open up to a page, it just takes me back to the moment of when I was writing it. Okay. It literally takes me to the moment. I remember exactly what I was doing when I wrote this. And I realized that I was distracted as I was writing this chapter. I was distracted. And it was like, damn, I'm really trying to focus. It shouldn't take me this long to do this. My mind is in the right place. I'm focused, but I'm scrolling. I'm getting notifications. I'm getting messages. I'm getting, people saying things. And it's like, I'm distracted, right? Like right now, like in the trading world today in the trading world, it is so many distractions. It is so much going on. You got people posting profits. You got people saying things. You got opinions from all over the place. Some people are making millions of dollars. Some people are making no dollars. Some people are on demo accounts, but people seeing profits and they think that it's real accounts. Now you comparing yourself to that. It's a lot of stuff going on. It's a lot of distractions out here, right? Let's get into it. Right? So these chapters, you're not just reading. You're not just reading. You have an assignment to do for this, right? Because this is therapy, right? So this ain't just some cute little chapter book and you're just gonna know. You got to do the work. You actually have to do the work. It says assignments. So you have to do the assignment. Now, it's not for me. You don't got to turn it into me and say, here, lady, I did my homework. It's for you. This is the work for you. I only did it like this because I can't take on 100 clients. I can't take on one-on-ones with 100 different people. I don't have the capacity to do so. You ain't gonna burn me out, right? Uh, Focus on your burnout. That's that's another one that's in here. Okay? Do the work. Like I said, most journals and planners and these little books that say, oh, get your planner for 2026, a lot of them don't have anything in it for you to actually make any changes. A lot of them just have a calendar and a place for you to write your to-do list and your appointments and your goal. What is your goal? What's the plan? Okay, you can have all the goals you want to have. You can have all the to-dos you want to have. What is the plan though? That's the thing. We get too comfortable with just jotting stuff down. Like it's just a blank page. It's just a blank page and you just writing what this and what's this and what is the plan? What is the steps? Like, okay, you want to make X amount of money. Well, how many days? Put a date on it. Okay. What's the first step? Check it off. What's the second step? Are you going in order? Like, what's up? What are we doing? That's what this is about. This is about understanding what your resilience is and what it's not. This is about focusing on your finances. It's about focusing on your confidence, like building your confidence. It's about understanding that rest does not mean that you're lazy. Sometimes we need to rest and we're not resting. And then when we finally do rest, we feel like we're being lazy. Like, no, I can't take a break. No, I can't rest. No, I can't just take the whole day to do absolutely nothing because so much has to be done that if I lay here and I do nothing, then it feels like I'm being lazy. Or somebody else would tell you, girl, what the hell are you doing laying down? You got all this stuff to do. I don't know, y'all. I'ma just, okay. This is, here you go. Y'all, I want y'all to know this, right? If you don't know nothing else, if you don't know me, if you've never met me before, if you don't know me, I don't go to Google, go to the group, ask the girls, go to Facebook, do what you got to do. Okay? Do what you got to do. But when it comes to me, I quit my job 6 years ago. I am happily unemployed. They didn't fire me, I quit. I chose me. I chose to walk away from my job. And it wasn't a regular job, it was a union job. For y'all who know me, y'all already know. What did it take? Grit. It took grit. It took resilience. It took faith. It took a lot of discipline. It took a lot of consistency. It took a lot of sacrifice, right? It got real uncomfortable, very uncomfortable. And it's like, you want that? You want these type of problems? This is what you want, because it's going to cost you. It's going to cost you. But let me tell you something. That job was costing me more. This is going to cost you. The life that you want is going to cost you the life that you have. I don't know who need it. I don't know who need it, but I'm going to tell you right now, the life that you want is going to cost you the life that you have right now. The problem is you're so comfortable in the life that you have right now that you don't want to separate with it. Because everything is sentimental. Everything is, we got memories. This means so much to me because the history behind it and all. Y'all, this the work. This the work. This is the work right here. This is the inner work that you're gonna have to face. This is you facing yourself and saying like, hey, how bad do you want it? How bad? Because y'all be like, I really, really want to get this. How bad? How bad do you want it? Are you willing to give up everything that you have right now to get what you want? Is it that? Are you willing to get uncomfortable? Is you willing to get down and dirty? Is you willing to get in the mud? You ready to go to rock bottom? Because that's what it's going to take. That's what it's going to take. Sometimes you're going to have to hit rock bottom in order for you to make it to the top of Mount Everest. That's what it is. A lot of people not ready. They be asking for it. Like, yeah, I want it. No, you don't. You don't really want this. You don't really want this. I promise you, it's going to take you through some valleys. Okay. You know about that valley. All right. And if you don't, get into the book. Okay. If you don't know about it, just get into the book. I'm not going to say what book. Y'all know what I'm saying. Okay. That's y'all. Just understand that this market is a mirror. It's only going to show you who you are. Are you patient? Are you greedy? Are you fearful? Are you scared? Are you playing games? Are you consistent? Are you disciplined? What is it, right? Are you focused or are you distracted? It's going to show you. The market will tell you all of these things, but I need you to figure it out on your own first. Get into it with yourself first, okay? Get in the mirror and have this conversation with yourself first before you get to the market. Because the market, baby, when they start throwing blows, yeah, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hit and it's gonna hurt, and you're not gonna be ready for it. And that's why a lot of people start and they don't finish. A lot of people start and they quit. Why? Because they got hit. But if you had done the work, okay, if you had been sparring, okay, before you got into the ring, then when you did get hit, you would have been prepared for it, right? It wouldn't have hurt as much. You wouldn't have got knocked down so hard to the point to where it's like, I give up. I'm throwing in the towel. I'm out. I don't want to do it no more. Like it wouldn't have hurt that much because you prepared yourself. It's just like a fight. It's like a fight, y'all. You getting in the ring, you're gonna have to practice. You ain't Floyd. You're not Floyd Mayweather. Okay? You're not out here. Okay, but you come to this market and you think, oh, I know how to swing. I could do a little 1-2. I could do a little duck here and all that, and then you get hit. You get hit, and it buckles you. It buckles you. A lot of people get hit and they cannot get back up. They can't get back up, and they hurting. Every time I tried, I lost money because you didn't learn. Because you didn't learn, and you're gonna keep losing until you learn. Well, where do you learn? Rock bottom. Where do you learn? In the dark spaces. Where do you learn? In the uncomfortable spaces. That's where you learn that. That's all, y'all. That's all. I just message. Okay, that is the message. I'm just the messenger. All right. I've been here for 6 years. I've been trading for 6 years. Okay. A lot of ups and downs. A lot of ups and downs. A lot of, back and forth. A lot of in and out. Okay. A lot of this ain't working out for me type of stuff. But look at it working out. Look at it. It's working. It's working. If you do the work, it will work. It's not that the market don't work, it's that you don't work. You're not working. You're not doing the work. That's it. Working for a job is one thing, but working for the life that you want for yourself, baby, that's going to take a lot more than them 40 hours that you're putting in. It's going to take a lot more than that. Okay. All right. Is y'all good? Is y'all good? Y'all okay? Y'all, this right here, this little thing, like I said, it's about 150 pages. Resilience. It's about 150 pages in here. It's not just something that it's not just calendar wise. It's also assignments for you to do. And some of y'all might need more paper, right? Some of y'all might need a college rule notebook. Some of y'all might need a binder for this, right? Because it's some work. Okay, it's some work to do in here. I literally quit my job to trade full time in the stock market, and I never let up. I never let up. My foot been on the gas ever since. All right, I done crashed a few times. I crashed a few times. All right, I'm a recovering crash out. But we here. Okay, we here. I crashed, but I didn't total. All right, I didn't total the car. I didn't total my life. We here now. All right, this ain't my final destination though. I'm not done. This is cool and all. The house is nice. The cars is nice. This is cool. But also, I'm tired. I'm ready to be, thank you. I'm ready to be done. I'm ready to be rested. I'm invested, but I'm ready to be rested. Self-prioritization. I'm ready to just care about self. I'm ready to just wake up and I don't want to be in hustle mode. I don't want to be in grind mode. I don't want to be in, like I got to get it, got to get it, got to get it, got to get it. I'm to the point where it's like, all right, I'm good. I'm good. I could relax for the whole year. You know what? I could relax for the whole year. I ain't gotta, and that's where I want all of us to be.